Hello friends, in this video, I will be teaching you how to install Cisco Packet Tracer on your computer. Firstly, visit any web browser and type in Cisco Packet Tracer download. Click on the link that takes us to the Cisco Networking Academy website. Notice that we have been redirected to the netarcade.com website and the Cisco Packet Tracer section. So on this page, scroll down to Getting Started with Cisco Packet Tracer. On the Getting Started with Cisco Packet Tracer page, scroll down. Under Self-Paced Online, select your preferred language. I leave mine as English, and click on the Get Started with Self-Paced button. Friends, we need an account to download Cisco Packet Tracer from NetArcade. If you already have an account, put your email address here and click on Login. Else, sign up for a new account. So I'm going to sign up for a new account. You can sign up with Google if you already have a Google account. If you don't, you can just create a new account by selecting your country of residence, state, year of birth, and month of birth, and click on continue. You will be required to provide more information about yourself. So fill in this form and click on create account. Once you have successfully created an account, you will be provided with their terms and conditions. Scroll down and click on I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions and accept and continue. Notice that we have been redirected back to the Getting Started with Cisco Packet Tracer page. So on this page, scroll down to download Cisco Packet Tracer and click on this link. Now we are redirected to the Resource Hub page. On this page, scroll down and click on the exe file, exe version that is compatible with your computer. So I'm clicking on Windows. And now the exe file is being downloaded to my computer. The file is fully downloaded, and next we're going to start the installation process. Now we have our downloaded file. Double click to install. Accept the license agreement. Select destination location, leave as default. Select start menu folder, leave as default. Create a quick link shortcut, yes, and then install. Once the installation is completed, click on finish. Would you like to run multi-user when application starts? Yes. You'll be asked to log in to be able to use Packet Tracer. If you want to be logged in for 3 months, click on this button and click on Networking Academy. So here you can sign in with your NetArcade account. I'm going to do that now. So once you've successfully logged in, you will be redirected back to Packet Tracer and your Packet Tracer is ready for use. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.